Our home, the Earth, breeds a special object, calcium sulfate, also called as gypsum, after day and night movement for 5 billion years. Her magnificent figure can be seen in ancient Egypt pyramid, European Middle Ages castle, China Changsha Mawangdui Han Dynasty tomb, and Grand and Glory Grand Wall. Li Xizheng, the drug king in Ming Dynasty, recorded many chapters on using gypsum as drug in Compendium of Materia Medica. With quick development of science and technology, the people has increasingly deep understanding on good performance of gypsum. In 1890, American Augustine, Sackett and Fiddler, Kana, invented paper surface gypsum board. After over 100 years, such new building material becomes indispensable application in modern building field. Towering Mount Taishan is the spirit of China. Surging Wenhe River has outstanding persons. In 1971, gypsum deposit with the largest reserve in the world was found at the foot of Mount Taishan and near the bank of Wenhe River. And an enterprise that has life relationship with gypsum, Taishan Gypsum Company Limited, was established. The company becomes global topping paper surface gypsum board manufacturer by tenacious will and pioneering spirit after efforts for over 40 years. After reaching the top, then you can hold all mountains in a single glance. As the leader of global paper surface gypsum board industry, Taishan Gypsum leads the future by topping visual field in the large stage of global building material markets. Taishan Gypsum Company Limited, the largest paper surface gypsum board manufacturer in the world. It has over 40 subsidiary factories, which inlay in China land, just like various brilliant pearls. Output of 1.5 billion square meters is the first one in the world. Domestic market share of 50% is outstanding. Energy consumption with less than 0.7 kilograms standard coal takes global leading. Single line output scale with 60 million square meters is advanced in the world. Continuous scale and benefit increase rate of 30% for 20 years is global miracle. The company is enterprise with the largest covering area, the highest market share and the strongest competitive power in the same industry. Several million square meters of Taishan gypsum board are delivered to foreign and domestic construction sites timely every day. In China, 1 of every 2 gypsum boards is produced by Taishan Gypsum, and its annual output can surround 30 cycles of the equator. Taishan Gypsum board wins absolute leading position in markets by its outstanding quality. Magnificent figure of Taishan Gypsum board can be seen in various project fields, such as public, civil and commercial industries, from the Oriental Pearl to Caliph, and from the coast of the South Sea to snow-covered plateau. After braving the wind and the rain for over 20 years, Taishan Gypsum established a strong sales service system, while providing reliable, innovative and high-performance price ratio products to the customers. The company makes great efforts in becoming the partner of customers and growing with them together. We can see national production plant areas and huge logistic distribution teams on the roads. Several thousand distribution vehicles drive throughout China every day. Over 240 sales offices, over 5,000 dealers, over 200 logistic distribution stations, and over 400 full-time sales service persons all over the country provide 24-hour quick, no-distance service and specialized construction technical support to the dealers and consumers. Quality is the first capital for winning markets. Taishan Gypsum implements quality project energetically, uses international standards, introduces advanced management systems such as ISO 9000 and ISO 14001, makes overall authentication, management and control on personnel, equipment, instrument, technology, method and environment, and ensures continuous improvement of product quality. Taishan brand paper surface gypsum board wins China top brand product and China paper surface gypsum board with the most influential force. Taishan trademark is approved as China famous trademark. Science and technology constitute primary productive force. Innovation is inexhaustible power of enterprise development and provides flying wing to Taishan Gypsum. Taishan Gypsum owns the only gypsum building material engineering research center in Shandong province and develops series of new techniques and technologies with own intellectual property rights. It has over 100 national patents, wins over national, provincial and municipal scientific and is national level high-tech enterprise. Paper surface gypsum board product line with annual output of 20 to 60 million square meters and unique powdering technology researched and developed by the company have various features such as excellent equipment, high-level equipment level, low operational cost and high product quality, and more suitable for Chinese users' requirements. Taishan Gypsum has been global topping gypsum board manufacture enterprise. Being global topping new building material producer, developing green building material and creating green enterprise are unremitting pursuit of Taishan Gypsum. Paper surface gypsum board is necessary wall material and decoration material in European and American developed countries. It is safe and comfortable, has good performances such as small weight, earthquake resistance, heat insulation, fireproof, healthcare and convenient construction, and is the most humane building and decoration material. It doesn't generate toxic or harmful gas during production. The product can be recycled after use, can be used as partition wall for replacing clay brick, reduces burning brick land damage and environmental pollution of burning brick, and is environmental friendly green building material. Material civilization can't continue without creating ecologic civilization. Taishan Gypsum promotes resource comprehensive utilization and ecologic civilization building energetically, spreads clean production completely, researches and develops technology of using industrial byproduct gypsum for producing gypsum board, for replacing natural gypsum successfully, and is listed as Torch Program by State Ministry of Science and Technology. Using industrial byproduct gypsum and converting waste into useful material not only saves precious natural mine resource, but also reduces damage on ecologic environment during mining and transportation, and finds new route for no-harm treatment of industrial byproduct gypsum. Taishan Gypsum consumes over 10 million tons of industrial byproduct gypsum annually, reduces piling floor land of over 2,000 mu annually, releases social environment pressure effectively, and protects land resource. Gypsum and surface protection paper are two major raw materials for producing paper surface gypsum board and realizes recycled production in Taishan Gypsum. 300,000 ton high-quality surface protection paper product line uses waste paper as raw material for production completely. Taishan Gypsum plots green picture with harmonious development of industrial development, environmental protection and source protection by harmonious concept and intellectual pen and ink. The company carries out social liability of large enterprise and becomes the first national source-saving and environmental friendly type experimental enterprise defined by Ministry of Industry and Information, Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Science and Technology jointly. By benefiting from cultural nourishment by Shandong province, Taishan Gypsum forms core value vision of harmony, innovation, simpleness and respect, and carries out enterprise tenet of Taishan Gypsum building material forming fine living. Simpleness is core meaning of enterprise culture of Taishan Gypsum, and such value vision leads Taishan Gypsum to obtain success continuously and to win respect by society and industry. By insisting on enterprise spirit of harmonious innovation and servicing society, Taishan Gypsum makes great efforts in implementing social duties and liabilities of enterprise citizen. The company sets up factories in minority nationality living areas such as Ningxia, Gansu, Guizhou, Yunnan, Guangxi and Xinjiang, produces minority nationality licensed products, attracts minority nationality persons for employment, and forms deep national feeling. Global Taishan Gypsum shows intellectual gleam just like rising bright star on the top of Mount Taishan and looks far into the world by standing on high points. Taishan Gypsum converts in development, develops in creation, and surpasses in innovation. Taishan Gypsum has broad vision, surpasses the age, and faces the world.